I'm Michael Burke with the Bureau of Reclamation, and I'm along the Sacramento River to give you a look at a great program that Reclamation funded.
Rockwads project was designed to provide rearing habitat for juvenile salmon and steelhead at a period of time when they're seeking out the deep water in the Sacramento River. The Sacramento River Settlement Contractors were provided grant funding from Reclamation to try to increase the bandwidth of some of the work that Reclamation was doing restoring salmon and steelhead on the Sacramento River. This particular project is somewhere in the neighborhood of $1.5 million. Each rockwad consists of a 5-ton boulder with 2 trees bolted onto it. The purpose of the boulder is to provide a backwater for the young fish to get in behind and be able to take advantage of some of the food that drifts by, so that again they'll get bigger faster. And then the trees are there to provide shelter so they can get away from predators like trout and cormorants and mergansers and things like that. So over the course of a couple days, we're putting 25 of these rockwad structures in one very deep slot in the river. Success in this project in the short term would demonstrate that the fish are using these sites and that the wood is functioning as we had hoped to provide them with some protection from predators. In the longer term, success would mean that these fish are getting bigger and healthier so that when they migrate down to the Pacific Ocean, we get more juvenile fish in the ocean, which would ultimately result in more adults being available for harvest and left over for spawning to try to rebuild these populations.